So, very good evening to one and all gathered here. I welcome you all once again for the next interesting session on product innovation and entrepreneurship. So, in this course module, we are going to see what are all the basic objectives of product innovation and entrepreneurship. The course has been designed in such a way that the few modules will be focusing on importance of entrepreneurship and development. And last three modules will be on product innovation and business startups. So this is the curriculum design structure of the course, Product Innovation and Entrepreneurship. Now we will have the basic objectives of the course titled Product Innovation and Entrepreneurship. Then we will get into the chapter one, the basic introduction and fundamentals. So what are the basic objectives of the course? The first thing, to understand the importance of entrepreneurship in business activities, what are the various challenges and the characteristics required for a successful entrepreneur, and how product innovation can very well connected with entrepreneurial activity in everyday scenario in the business venture. So these are some of the few uh, objectives of the course. In connection to the basic objective, now we are going to get into the module one, it is chapter one. So we'll try to define what is meant by the basic term entrepreneurship. So it is defined as the functional process of the following things: creating new ideas by promoting innovation, then developing infrastructure and managing a new business venture. So for doing an entrepreneurship activity, we require a business infrastructure in order to make the business more succeed and more competitive. We have to implement a lot of innovative solutions into it in order to manage all those business strategies to get capitalize on market opportunities to satisfy the basic customer needs, and also understanding the various financial risk to start the business and also to grow the business to the next stage. So this is what the basic meaning, the entrepreneurship. Now, what are the role of entrepreneurship in economic development? So this is our next discussion going to be on the role of entrepreneurship across the nationwide for economic development of a country. How entrepreneurship considered to be the more important crucial role in economic development. So the success of every nation mainly focus on motivating or nurturing the innovation of every individual for starting a business by recognizing themselves and providing more job opportunity to the job seekers and boosting overall productivity. The entrepreneurs will identify the technology gaps and they will try to introduce new products and service because satisfying the consumer needs. So thus entrepreneur creates a big social impact and promoting a more well-balanced economy around the nation. Let us see following two phases. What are the role of entrepreneurship in economic development? The first phase is job creation and income growth. Here in this phase, the entrepreneurs create employee opportunities by starting their own business, by hiring new talented employees for their firm. And this leads to overall development of the employee level and contribute to the growth of national income, gross national income. by increasing the productivity and also the wealth. Next one is innovation and technological development. So entrepreneurs are known for their innovative ideas, problem-solving abilities, even after introducing new technologies and process in the entrepreneurship ecosystem. This continuous innovation lead to have improved product and services, and that brings more competitiveness in the global market. So these are the various contribution done by the entrepreneur for the economic development. Now next comes, what do you mean by the term called entrepreneurial mindset? So it is defined as the psychology, the way in which the entrepreneur thinks by nurturing the innovation, risk taking of business to the next level, and proactive thinking, problem solving to create a value proposition and bringing lot of opportunities to the business. Now let us list out the following key characteristics of entrepreneurial mindset as given here. First one is a resilience, developing the mind or ability to bounce back from various failures and setbacks, and learning from the past opportunities and failures to retain more strong and stable in doing the entrepreneurial activity. Then adaptability, willingness to adjust the plans and various business strategy with respect to changing circumstances, an ability to think outside the box and develop new solutions, that is creativity, growth mindset, develop a belief that can be developed through dedication, hard work. This is morality of the entrepreneur, that is growth mindset, passion for solving problems, creating a drive to find solution for solving real world problems and create a value, risk taking, willingness to embrace the calculated risk and facing the uncertainty, and curiosity, develop a learning potential and exploring new ideas and opportunities. Collaborative mindset, ability to work effectively with others to develop a supportive network, and last one, positive mental attitude, maintaining more optimism by keeping himself as a proactive approach to tackle all challenges in the business world. So in nutshell, so I can say that entrepreneurial activity is one of the powerful tool applied to various aspects of life, from starting from career development to personal growth, and it is highly inevitable for success in the entrepreneur world. Next thing is, what are the motivation and competencies for an entrepreneur? So entrepreneur motivation and competency are considered to be the most important available thing for a successful business creation and motivation. It is a blend of internal drive, self-improvement, specific skills like risk-taking, creativity, and problem solving. Let us see the following things. So internal drive for entrepreneurial motivation. So internal factors like need for development or achievement, bringing more self-confidence in doing the business, more ethical way, and desire for personal growth. These are the various internal drives of an individual. Self-improvement, drive to improve oneself and creating a big impact, that can be a powerful motivator for aspiring young budding entrepreneurs and opportunity seekers. Entrepreneurs are often considered to be pursuing new opportunities in their business by slowly developing various challenges and getting more knowledge, experience by learning, by continuous learning and development. What are the various entrepreneurial core competencies, knowledge, and skills? To become a successful entrepreneur in a particular domain, they must have a solid business knowledge and a good financial estimator and relevant technical skills. These things are more essential for being a successful entrepreneur. The next one is a problem solving. Ability to identify and effectively address various problems for navigating the business challenges. Risk taking and creativity. Entrepreneurs often need to be more comfortable with calculated risk and support creative solutions. Networking and communication. Building a strong relationship and effective communication that leads to secure more number of resource and supportive network. These are the qualities of entrepreneur competencies as listed here. Next, we will have what do you mean by market pull and technology push factors in entrepreneurship development. So technology push and market pull, what is the difference between these two? The technology push begins with internal research and development, identifying new products and services that the markets may not able to fully grasp. So bringing new changes, new service, product service and development by understanding the importance of research and development. Market pull is nothing but changing the existing market process by understanding the customer preferences. Here there are some few examples under each category. The first one is take a new type of material, a graphene. So if you want to make any consumer product, you must understand the widespread application of that material. So this is technology push. Market pull. So understanding the consumer demand and what are all the existing changes we can able to make in the marketability of the product. Say smartphone. If I want to maximize the screen of the smartphone for better viewing experience by the consumer, I can do that effectively by understanding the consumer demand. So with these few inputs, I thank you all once again. We will meet in the next module of the same course, Product Lifecycle Development of Chapter 1. Thank you.